everyone, this is John Delgado here with several of my colleagues. We have Andy Lemieux, Sean Ball, Chris Chesley, and Kamala Gerard here for the third daily tip video. Something that I think should be useful for each and every one of you if you don't know how to do it yet. Breakout rooms. Are you ever in a situation where some of the children need to work collaboratively, or, worst case scenario, you really just hate Billy and you want to send him somewhere else so you don't have to deal with him? Breakout rooms are your friend. These are separate conference rooms that the students can interact with each other in, and you don't have to hear them, or you can if you join them. Great for independent work, great for situations where the students are doing something that isn't relevant to the whole class, but might be essential for either group work or small discussion groups. Great stuff. So, first of all, I'm going to put all of you on hold. I'm sorry, wonderful colleagues. Go to your Zoom account. And once again, we remember the meeting room on here. We're very familiar with this. Go to Settings down over here. Everyone sees that tab. And we're just going to scroll down to Breakout Rooms. And let's see, where is it? Right here. In Meetings Advanced. This is going to be some really advanced Zoom stuff, but by third daily tip video, you guys should all be following right along. Allows the host to split meeting participants into several smaller rooms. Just make sure that's checked off and blue. If it's off, go ahead and turn it on. The settings save automatically, so that's nice. And then we are just going to go over to any room. And in this case, right over here. And then you should have this lovely little breakout room thing down here. Down right next to your chat, record, reactions area. So you click on breakout rooms, and you get this nice little pop-up. Let's say I want 2 rooms. And we're going to manually sort them. And then you create the rooms. And room 1 and 2, I want room 1 to be for the English teachers. Andy has some important English stuff to talk to Kamala about, so they're going to talk with each other. And then we got the administrators over here. Chris and Sean are going to have their meeting rooms. And then I say, open all rooms, and they should have the ability to join the rooms that I've assigned them to. Is that correct, you guys? Perfect. And so now they are going to start to go away. Sorry, I love them. I miss them. But if I want to see them again, I just click on one of the breakout rooms. So I'm going to join Andy and Kamala. Say yes. And it's going to load up. Hello! There you are. So, English teachers, how is the English work going?
So here I realized I didn't actually pick up on their audio.
That's
Sorry
really
about
rough.
that.
And if this is just too much stress, oh, look at that. Chris Chesley asked me for help in breakout room number 2. So I'm sorry, English people, I need to go. I'm going to join the other one now. Oh, fantastic. No, now I'm helping you guys. I saw your request for help, and I'm right here, ready to help. Can you?
They were a little hurt that I didn't join their group first.
I'm sorry. I'm pretty sure that you guys just always know what you're doing, and I think the English department was just really struggling there for a second, so I went to them first. So, Chris, can you please tell us how you invited me to this call?
I'm going to have to do this. So he clicked on a thing that was a question mark at the bottom, and it said Ask Teacher for Help. So when the student presses that, it lets the teacher know that a room wants help.
Fantastic. So just do that, or tell your students to do that if they need to ask a question for help. That was actually a pleasant surprise for me during my class yesterday. And once this is all done, I'm just going to say, I'm going to go back down to breakout rooms and then hit close all rooms. And now everyone is going to leave the breakout room in 60 seconds at latest. So I'm going to return back to the main section. And we see, once again, how right was I? Chris and Sean got here first. The
English teachers were a bit offended by this.
And that's pretty nice. It gives the students a final 60 seconds to finish up any last thoughts before reconvening, giving them a little warning. And I think that's kind of nice. Unfortunately, to manually kick them out, it's a little bit more difficult. I think you just right-click on the student's name. But this is really the crux of breakout rooms. And I think that is everything that one of you needs to really get rolling with this. So thank you, everyone, for joining me. I really appreciate it. No problem. And I will see you guys in the next one. Have a good day.